Good morning. We are back near Lower Lough Erne and we're heading towards Lough Scolban and then on towards Belleek. So let's go. And this is Lough Scolban. So we're just walking around the top of it and then we head towards Belleek. We're being watched. Just peeking their head out. We were gonna go down to Keenahan Abbey on the shore of the lough, but I don't really fancy going through the field of cows to get to it. So, not today. There's a better view of the abbey. It's just this little ruin, like right here, on the shores of the lough. Yummy, yummy blackberries. I didn't realise, but there is a graveyard at that abbey, just over here. Pretty cool. We're just leaving Belleek now. We've just had a lovely lunch in the town and we're heading past actually the pottery centre here. They make all the fancy china and stuff here, and now we're heading back to Lough Navar, and this is like our penultimate section now. So to Lough Navar, and then we've got one more day to go. We're just crossing this bridge and it's going to take us back into Donegal, and then we'll quickly nip back into the north again. Belleek was actually the end of a link section. So now from Belleek to Lough Navar, it's a quality section, even though it's a road walk. It's just the way the route goes. So this bit will be waymarked. So we're getting Ulster Way signs for the last little bit. And then next time we've only got our Glen section. I'm so excited. Darlings. Hi. Starting to get some views back to where we started off. And just over to the right, where those wind turbines are, Lough Navar Forest is just behind it. We're getting closer. Getting some views over Loch Melvin, I think this one's called. So nice. We're just coming past Lough Navar Forest, and this is actually where we walked out of before, and we would have crossed the road and went into Lough Navar. So we're so close to where we finished, only about another mile or so along this road and we'll be there. We've made it! We're at the entrance to Lough Navar Forest. This is where we finished off before we did our flip-flop before, when we went back to Belfast and started going around the other way. So now we only have our Belleek Pottery section and we are finished the Ulster Way. Yay! See you next time!